Hi guys, so today let's see how you can fix the Armoury Crate software not updating as well as anime matrix on Asus Zephyrus G14 or G15 not working. So now what would happen is when we try to update the Armoury Crate software from here, if we click on check for updates and if we click here, say suppose there's an update, and if we update on here, click, and it would say update not installed, please restart the PC and install it back. But after restarting the PC, it won't update again. It would say the same error. I mean, it would give the same error. So what needs to be done is you guys need to install these two zip files, that is Armoury Crate uninstall tool and Armoury Crate install tool, and this would be from official Asus website. I will provide the link in the video description. So in this case, Armoury Crate install tool needs to be on the latest one. In my case it is 3.1.1.2. At the time when I fixed this issue, it was 3.1.1.2, and I think there was another update after this one. So please install the latest one, and uninstall tool would be 1.1.5.0. If there's any update to that version, then install the latest one, otherwise that would be this. So firstly you need to extract these two zip files, and after that double click on Armoury Crate uninstall tool folder and right click and run it as administrator. This is important. You guys need to run as administrator for both Armoury Crate uninstall as well as install application files, because when I tried without running administrator, it won't do anything. It would just give me the same problem. It won't update and my matrix won't work. So run it as administrator, and after the process completes, just restart the PC. After that, come back to Armoury Crate installer and run this as well. Run this as administrator as well, and install this. After process completes, then restart the PC again, and after that your issue with Armoury Crate not updating would be resolved, because it will be updated to the latest version and everything would work just fine. And anime matrix would also start working, and you can do anything with it. So please let me know in the comments if this worked for you guys, and if my solution worked and fixed your problem. Thanks for watching. Bye.